Hi there, folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 290. So, the Eurovision Song Contest results are in from 2022, won by Ukraine, of course. But the incredible story, the incredible comeback story, is that the United Kingdom came second, and a good second, might we add, after their poor showing in the last competition. So we have to work out the number of points scored by Finland. So what we can do is very carefully on the calculator add up all these points that we know. And if we do that, we'll find it comes to 4,564. We're going to take that away from the total number of points to get 76. It tells us in the question that Finland and the Czech Republic scored the same number of points, so we need to share this 76 equally amongst the two countries. So 38 points for Finland. Not quite United Kingdom score, but congratulations to them for the 38 points. Okay, so on to our home economics story. We've got a lemon trifle being named the Platinum Jubilee Pudding. So we've got a couple of scaling questions for you here. So how much caster sugar needed to make amaretti biscuits for 4 people? So if we go to the amaretti biscuits part of the recipe, so it's 170 grams of caster sugar. That's for serving 20 people. So to serve 4 people, if we count up in fours till we get to 20, that'll give us 5 times. So basically we need to find a fifth of this amount. In other words, we need to divide by 5 to get 34 grams of caster sugar. Now, how many large free-range egg yolks would be needed to make custard for 100 guests? So the custard's here. We need 3 large free-range egg yolks for 20 people. So if we multiply this by 5, we can get enough for 100 people. So it's going to be 3 times 5, which is 15 large egg yolks. So on to our UK story, and unbelievably, one lucky ticket holder from the Euro Millions became £184 million richer. Now, can you actually work out what these lucky numbers were using your knowledge of powers and roots? So the square root of 9, of course, is 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. And 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. So the square root of 784, we'll need the calculator for that. That comes out as 28. The square root of 841, again on the calculator, comes out as 29. And now for your lucky stars, 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4, and 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. So why don't you try putting them on in the next draw, or get mum and dad to do that, and see if they come up again. Okay, our final story from the world of science. So some moon dust, some moon soil has been used to grow has been used to grow a type of cress here on planet Earth. Quite exciting times in the science world, and potentially looking at setting up colonies in Mars. So watch this space. Anyway, 382 kilograms of lunar dust was brought back in total from those 1969 to 1972 Apollo missions. So how many grams is this? Well, there are 1,000 grams in every kilogram, so we need to multiply the 382 by 1,000 to get 382,000 grams. Now, in terms of tons, 1,000 kilograms make a ton, so there'll be less tons, so we need to divide the number of kilograms by 1,000 this time, and moving everything down 3 place values, we'll get 0.382 tons. And there you have it, folks, our What Solutions for this week. We hope you enjoyed solving these problems. Stay tuned for next week's edition. We'll be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.